हाय एवरीवन। मैं आप लोग सबके लिए एक छोटा सा वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। बेसिकली हाउ टू डील विथ दिस नो, आई मीन स्पेशली इन द सेल्स, लाइक आपको डेली you guys are facing challenges on a daily level, like customers saying no, you guys are not getting proper conversion, there is a market challenge, people are not listening, right? And obviously it actually impact your performance, right? And normally when performance hit करता है तो हमारी targets पे, sales target पे impact पड़ता है. So I thought to this is a nice platform because it's very difficult, like talking to individual people, understanding their challenges and all, like so I thought, like why not create some small videos and share to you, and I can share my experiences, like I hope, like that will help a lot of people. Exactly, I don't know, maybe it's just a uh, initiative. I just thought, like so it's Sunday, 10:30, and this is my first video. So the objective is to discuss about challenges. So basically, calls पे challenge आता है, people are not listening, how to do the cold calling, right? हम ऐसे क्या बात करें जो people will listen, right? And it is it is not that, like what you're selling. It is all about it's all about your mind. आप यहाँ से सोचोगे तो काम है, आई मीन यहीं से सोचना है आपको. आई मीन दिस वर्क्स. सो एज एन एग्जाम्पल आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू, लाइक अगर आपने ये सोच लिया कि ये होगा ही नहीं, let's say if Arvind feels that this market is tough, nobody's listening to me, and I normally start my day, and I know again whole day if I work also, I will again sit with zero. I mean, I cannot able to do anything. But at the same, Arvind feels that नहीं मेरे को करना ही है, I have to do that. Okay. So there are two things. One is, like if the person who already assumed that he, if I work whole day and I know the result will not come because market is like that only. But in the same, Arvind feels that it is possible. I can do that. So I don't know how many of you trust or believe this thing. If you do any work with your powerful mind, you will see the result. And it is not I'm saying, like ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ or some lecture I'm giving to you, but this is a science. And even in many times all told, I mean, even in the session also I said many times, whatever we feel, and if that feeling connects to your heart, if you do some work without interest, oh, you start your day and I don't want to, your mind is thinking something, maybe you are thinking for Pondicherry, you're thinking for beer, or you're thinking for something, or you're thinking for Goa and vacation, and you are sitting. What is your interest? Your interest is not here. You are thinking somewhere. That means you are physically not present. When you are not physically present and you are thinking something, oh, मैं इधर चला जाऊंगा, मैं उधर चला जाऊंगा, मेरा वैसा हो जाएगा मेरा. And because of this lockdown, because of the pandemic, people are working from home. A negative vibration, negative auras. It is like, it is coming, and it's a very common thing for all, right? Because office culture is completely stopped. People are not going to the office, not meeting with the people, and it's a very psychological thing. The negative attracts. I think that is a major reason that we are not able to perform if there is a negativity in your mind. So the question is, करें क्या? और रोहित आपने तो बता दिया कि ये प्रॉब्लम है. What is the solution? Solution is nothing. Solution is change the place where you're sitting, change the environment, change the location, right? Because even in our life also, like, if you not do any changes, agar if you not read books, if you not read good articles, if you not, so you need to update yourself, right? So similarly, whatever you do, you need to get update. And please try to understand, like, I'm just highlighting the dotted line. You need to understand one thing, like, if you not increase your gyan, I mean the knowledge, right, on a daily level, you will not able to perform no matter what. Like, it is not about the work which I'm talking about. It is related to anything. Today you are in this company, tomorrow you will go to another company, and tomorrow another you will go to another company, or maybe you will start your own business. The problem is you are a negative person. You cannot perform even if you go out. Because if you're not performing here, you cannot do anything there also. That's it. Because your mind is like that. You cannot do that. So you don't think that you can make a rocket sing over there, and if you start your own business, if you start you something like, you cannot do that. Mark my word, because if you're not a performer here, you cannot be a performer anywhere. You cannot do that. So this is something is very important, that wherever you are, whatever you are doing, you should give your heart and soul. If you're not doing it, better go. Find something which actually gives you pleasure. If you think this is not my job, so better find a job which gives you a connection. So let's not waste time. Let's not waste others' time also. So choose a job which you feel, oh, this is my goal and this is what exactly I wanted to be. So what will happen? It will save everybody's time. If you are sitting here doing nothing and, like, okay, I have to start my day. My boss says you need to do this thing, you need to do that, right? And that's it. End of the day, what? Performance is zero. Zero. Because the problem is you are not working with your brain. You are working with, like, some external force. Some external force. And nobody can perform if there is external forces there. So let me conclude this. Like, I don't want to stress the video unnecessarily. Like, thanks for your patience and listening so far. Like, please let me conclude this. The conclude is that if you really want to perform, you need to use your brain first and ask your brain, hey, am I doing the right thing or not? If I'm not doing the right thing, please correct me. Because whatever, if your brain gives the signal, then only you can work, because it is all interconnected. Your brain is talking something, your heart is doing something, you are lost, man. So there is a frequency which you need to connect with your brain and your heart, otherwise there is a accident, and that is what is equal to non-performance. So the formula is very simple, like, how you need to connect with brain and heart, and it's a combination of this automatically feel good factor. Oh, today is my day. Wow, I have to do something. Wow, I have to crack something. Wow, excellent. I will do that. I can. That wow factor has to be there. कुछ करने की चाहत. Every day is a new day for a salesperson. If you are a salesperson, if you are not a salesperson, you cannot do anything, no matter what. If you think that by default I'm in this industry, so this, I think there is uh, always a room like exit. You can always exit. Why you are giving a burden to the other people? Like there are a lot of people out there who's actually waiting for this seat. Let them come in, right? You better go out. So I think if your brain in your heart is not connecting, so automatically feel good factor is not coming. So when feel good factor is not coming, that means performance is not coming. When performance is not coming, automatically you are going in a negative side. When you are going in a negative side, automatically the world is negative, everything is negative, and you will feel, oh, this company is not good, this is not good, we is not good, that is not. You are start giving blaming to everyone. So blaming, what you will do with the blaming? So stop giving excuses. You need to accept the fault. Yes, I am the reason for this. Take the ownership. If I am not performing, this is my problem. I am not good, this is my problem. Right? And challenges you will always face. I don't know how many people you know that there are दो गधे थे जिन्होंने ख्वाब देखा था उड़ा देंगे कुछ को, प्लेन उड़ा देंगे, आदमी उड़ा देंगे, हवा उड़ा देंगे, पत्ता उड़ा देंगे, सब उड़ा देंगे. राइट. तो ये दो जो गधे थे, आई थिंक पागल जिसको बोल सकते हो, इन्होंने भी कुछ ख्वाब देखा था कि उड़ा देंगे सबको. एंड तुमको क्या लगता है, मोस्टली पीपल सेज ना कि ऐसा तो कभी होगा नहीं कि अरे बहुत बढ़िया बोला आपने, क्या ख्वाब देख रहे हो आप, हवा से उड़ा दोगे आप, क्या बात, मज़ा आ गया सुन के बात, अब करो यार, तो आपको तरक्की मिलेगी. मुझे ये बताओ ऐसे बोलने वाले कितने होंगे? कोई नहीं बोलता. अरे क्या कर रहा है यार, पागल है क्या, पागल है, कैसे उड़ा देगा तू. पागल लोग चाहिए यार जो कुछ करते हैं लाइफ में. बुद्धिमान जो ज्ञान देते हैं, जो पागली हैं वही करते हैं. आइंस्टाइन पागल था, थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन पागल था, सब पागल ही हैं. So paganism is what? It's like craziness. So when they do something, they always connect with brain and heart. ये इसको बोलते हैं कुछ करने की चाहत. मज़ा आ रहा है यार काम करने में. जब मज़ा नहीं आ रहा तो मत करो ना, क्यों बाकियों का टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो. So I think I don't know. After listening all this, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये बकवास वीडियो बना रहा है, it's like waste of time, कोई बात नहीं. हो सकता है जो सुनने वाला उसकी कान समझ में आ रही है बोलना क्या चाह रहा है. बोलना यही चाह रहा है कि अगर आप कोई भी काम शिद्दत से करो, यू विल गेट ए रिजल्ट. यार मन लगा के करो तो रिजल्ट आएगा ही. मन ही नहीं है ऐसा करने का, ज़बरदस्ती कर रहे हैं यार, फालतू का कर रहा है, मजबूरी है करना है, मजबूरी है, ज़बरदस्ती घुस गए, नौकरी नहीं मिल रही थी इसलिए आ गए, बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आ गए यार, कुछ मिल नहीं रहा था यहाँ पहुँच गए. तो सेल्स में तो सुना था कि कुछ हो जाता है, पैसे कमा लेते हैं. पैसे कमाने का मन ही नहीं है, लेकिन मंथ पे सैलरी आ जानी चाहिए. कुछ ऐसे भी हैं, परफॉर्मेंस आएगा कहाँ से, मैं चिल्लाता जाऊँ भैया परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए, मैनेजर बोल रहा परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए. अरे भैया पता ही नहीं करना क्या है, कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो, लाइफ कनेक्ट ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. तो यार एक ही चीज़ मैं बोलूँगा, फील गुड फैक्टर लाओ. कुछ भी कर रहे हो मन लगा के करो. कनेक्ट जोड़ो, ये मत ब्लेम करो इसने नहीं करा उसने नहीं करा, वो बेकार ये बेकार दुनिया बेकार सब बेकार मोदी बेकार एवरीबडी इज बेकार। तुम भैया भगवान हो क्या? तुम ही सब जानते हो, ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश नहीं एनी। सो सो बेकार कोई नहीं होता, बेकार आप ही हैं जो ऐसी सोच रखते हैं। सो थिंक इन ए पॉजिटिव वे। सुबह उठो, फ्रेश लो, आवाज़ आज हम कुछ करेंगे, कुछ करके दिखाएंगे, फोड़ के दिखाएंगे, एंड विल डू समथिंग। सो टेक द ओनरशिप ऑफ योर लाइफ, फील गुड फैक्टर, क्रिएट दैट ऑरा। अंदर से आवाज आती है, थके हुए मरे हुए सर ले लो सर, आवाज में बुलंद होनी चाहिए, फील गुड फैक्टर। बेचने नहीं आए हम, आपको बताने आए, ये आवाज में बुलंद होनी चाहिए। सुन लो मेरी बात। सो create that aura, and I'm sure when you work with a positive mindset, when you work with a positive aura, definitely the result will come. Thank you.